Here it is. It's lightweight. It has a, see, that's the sound it makes. Now, there are some crumbs in my kitchen. Right here. Oh. This thing does pick up crumbs. I just hope it did. Sorry about this. I picked up crumbs. Here's how to use it. I'm using it the way it's supposed to on the instructions. Oh, not that one. Don't forget that one. These are crumbs. It does pick up crumbs. It is lightweight. It's not heavy. Like, it's not painful in the arms. I do like it. My dad uses a Swiffer wet jet. It works. But this works. This is it. That's how to use it. I guess I'm going to do. You have to charge it for 8 hours, I believe. Or overnight. It will charge overnight. That's what I do. Now, it does pick up crumbs, that's for sure. Now this is the wet mop I put on. This is the last one I use. I should get more. They're handy to have. These wet wipes. They do come with the nice little cloths too. They're handy to have. Yeah, cloth. They're called Swiffer wet wipes. I kind of like the Swiffer wet wipes. But then again, they do pick up dirt and grind. The footprints. The footprints are kind of ugly looking. I want to get rid of those footprints. This is my kitchen. Yep. There's a review product test, and it works. Now, when I watch the ad, it does do a good job. This is doing a good job. Like, it picked up the dog hair, the cat fur, whatever fur is lying around. The streaks. Streaks. They're not. But this is my hardwood. Actually, it did pretty good. What my hardwood floor looks like. Here's how to use it. Now it's working. Wow. I actually did a good job. I also have to do another mop review. This is the Swiffer Sweep Back. Lightweight, chargeable. Now I'll show you guys how to charge it. It is $49 at Walmart. In total, it's $50 or $40 odd dollars or $50, depending where you get it. It's worth buying. I mean, it's not too expensive. I mean, if you were to get it on Amazon, it'd be a little bit. Like $49 for an item is pretty good. In total, it'd be $50, depending what you get with it. Because it adds tax to your groceries. some are worth getting. I like to do product review today. Usually I don't do this. That isn't worth it. This vacuum is worth getting. I mean, it picked up most of the dirt off my kitchen. This is my kitchen. You know, I do cook using the air fryer too. But I don't, I like doing product reviews. Now I'm going to charge it. This is my night. Yeah, I have to charge it. Don't mind my finger in it. Here's how you charge it. Yeah, fortunately you have to really leave it in the charge overnight until the button turns green. And this is what color it is when charging. I hope it stays that way. Pretty good. It's going to charge, and then when I wake up, it will turn green again. Yeah, but you do have to charge it. The